Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jacob in Pennsylvania on this Connex 4300-300. Jacob, we got it repaired, tuned, aligned. We did the Maxmod voltage regulator upgrade as well as the erf2030 plus finals. You gain a little bit of power with the regulator upgrade, but more than anything you gain durability. The erf2030 pluses are also more robust. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Right there about 10 watts carrier. Go over to the 500 watt scale, roll it all the way up. Cruising at 100 watt carrier. Roll it back down. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. So we're looking about 230 bird. Go to peak power. 500 watts on the money. Alright Jacob, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.